Welcome back, everybody. I'm here with Ryan Hildreth, and in this video we're going to discuss passive income. Now, how can you go out and make your very first $100 a day as passive income? Ryan Hildreth here. He's going to let you know how to get that money.
So I think we should first start off with the definition of passive income, because I think a lot of people have different definitions. But for you watching this video, my definition of passive income is making money while you sleep. Okay, so not trading your time for dollars, and I think that's the easiest definition for passive income. So we'll talk about the the easiest ways to get started with this as a beginner, as someone, maybe you don't have any experience with this. And the first step to making your first $100 a day online, and this is something that me and Anthony have both done, is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so this is a low barrier of entry platform where you can just, go to youtube.com where you're watching this video right now and start a channel. Okay, it doesn't cost any money to start a channel, and you can basically go out there and find popular videos that are getting millions of views in a specific niche, like the niche we are in is business and entrepreneurship, and you can recreate a video and upload that. Make it for free, record it on your iPhone if you want, or on your laptop computer, upload it and start generating YouTube ad revenue. Now, there is a barrier of entry, and I'm going to mention that. To monetize your channel, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Before, when I first started, there was no barrier. You can monetize your channel from day one. So that is the only barrier, but very easy to get over that hump. Do you want to touch on this, Anthony?
So if you guys are getting started with YouTube and that's the platform you're going to use, don't try to reinvent the wheel. If you're going to do the health and fitness niche, go on YouTube, and I'm a big proponent of doing research. What are other YouTubers doing? What are other people doing to monetize and make that passive income? So for example, if it's affiliate marketing, I'm going to go to YouTube, I'm going to go to the search bar, I'm going to type affiliate marketing. Now YouTube, they're going to show you related keywords, and this can give you video ideas and content. So for someone like myself, what should I make a video about? Well, go to YouTube and see what people are searching, see what people want to watch, and then make a video that solves that problem or shows them.
Yeah, definitely. And the best part about it is when you upload a YouTube video and you start generating ad revenue from it, right? So what it's called is ad revenue, because YouTube will place ads in front of your videos. Like before you watch this video, right, there's probably an ad that you had to skip over. It says skip over this ad in 5 seconds, right? Every time that those ads pop up, the user, the channel owner, is making money from YouTube ad revenue, okay? And basically all my videos, I have over 400 videos on my channel, and all 400 of those videos are generating, a few dollars a day, $10 a day in ad revenue. And you do the math there, right? This is hundreds of dollars per day being generated from videos that I made a couple years ago. Okay, so that's considered passive income, because I'm not making those, I'm not spending time on those videos and making money while I sleep.
And just to elaborate a little bit more on that, keep in mind, don't just stop with YouTube if you want to build passive income. Like, YouTube's a great platform, low barrier to entry to build ad revenue, but think about other ways to monetize. So during your video, you can give a shout out on a product and put a link in your description, whether you want to sign up with Amazon.com, one of the biggest companies in the world, and become an affiliate with Amazon Associates. And for example, this video camera we're using is a Canon T6i. So what we could do, for example, is underneath this video, we can monetize and make more passive income by giving you a link to get the camera. So keep that in mind. Don't just stop on YouTube to build that passive income. You want to be making your income from multiple income streams. So whether it be your YouTube videos, your links in your description, where you're sending people off, who you're shouting out, or who you're talking about in your video, monetize your videos in that way, because when you're a new creator and you're just getting started, there's channels with 500 subscribers who make more money than people who have 200,000 subscribers. And the reason being is because they're monetizing outside of the YouTube platform. So YouTube's a great place to start. You put ads on your video, but also monetize your YouTube description. Now also in this video, we want to talk about a second way to make an extra income stream. Whether you want to do ads with free traffic or paid traffic. The next strategy is monetizing through Facebook. If you don't know, Facebook actually opened up a program to where you can monetize your Facebook fan page, which you can set up for free, and you can monetize that by posting content on your fan page. Now, what I would recommend is stick with viral videos. These videos tend to go viral. People love them, they comment, and they share. Think about like your favorite books, your favorite movies, your whatever your favorite topic is. Look on Facebook and look for viral videos. And now here's an example. If my niche is motivation, I'm gonna, for example, maybe go check out GoCast. They're another big Facebook page who posts viral content, and that's what I would do. I would post viral content to my fan page and monetize that.
Yeah, it's a pretty good program that Facebook opened up with their, I believe it's the Facebook Watch platform, where you can upload a video and basically make ad revenue just like on YouTube. Exactly what Anthony said, create a fan page with a specific niche. Like if you're doing viral cat videos, right? People love cats, millions of people love cats. You can essentially upload viral cat videos, ones that have already had millions of views, maybe recreate them, repurpose them, and make them your own, right? So you don't get any copyright, and make ad revenue from that. So it's a great way to generate another additional source of passive income, potentially $100 a day or more.
So what would you say the next best way would be for someone who wants to get started in making that passive income? What would be the next recommendation?
Yeah, the next recommendation, and this is a potentially, by 2022 is going to be a $300 billion marketplace, is online information products. Okay, so online education. So if there's anything out there that maybe it's a different language or a skill set like playing a guitar or building a business online, right? You can go ahead and create a course, right? A digital training showing step by step exactly how you acquired that skill set and put it into practice, and teach other people how to do that. And a great platform that you can get started off on is that already has tons of millions of students on there is Udemy, udemy.com, udemy.com. That is a place where you can go and film your digital training, upload it to the platform, and start making some money from people who are interested in learning whatever skill that you have, okay? And I know the hardest part when you're first, creating a course, and this was something that I had to go through when I created my first course, was like not believing that that you're good enough to teach it. And if you've had any results from the skill set that you're teaching, then you are viable to teach that skill set. All right, so if you can help other people get results, then you can teach it, and that's a great platform. What do you think, Anthony?
Yeah, everybody, courses, that's another way to monetize. Ryan, he nailed it right on the money. You can monetize by your course, but if I had to start all over and I was selling a course right at the beginning, I would use that site. The reason being is that website, they have an existing customer base. They have an existing affiliate program. That website gets hundreds of thousands of visits every month. You can make a course about anything, whether you wanted to make one with how to take a proper photo with your Canon T6i, or whether you had a course on how to properly clean and trim your dog's toenails, or making money online. There's so many different ways you could go on actually making a course. Now, one last way that I recommend getting started, and it's low barrier to entry, is Facebook groups. Now, what I recommend is you want to have that multiple income stream. So if you have your YouTube channel or your Instagram, lead people back to a community where they can network. So for example, if I'm in the health and fitness niche, I'll make a health and fitness Facebook group, and then I'll post my, members' results, I'll post testimonials, I'll post content, I'll give value. Now, this is another way to monetize and make passive income. When you have members apply to your Facebook group, if you guys haven't seen it, Facebook, they're rolling out updates constantly, and Facebook's promoting Facebook groups. So why not capitalize on that and build your own Facebook group? And when new members join, shout them out. Facebook gives you an option. So if you have, 50 or 100 people join your Facebook group, shout those 100 people out and then give them a call to action. Let them know on, where they can, have contact with you, coaching, or send them to a product that you recommend and you trust.
As far as Facebook groups, that's a great way to generate some additional passive income in your sleep, is, providing value, having some sort of product or service that you offer in your Facebook Facebook group and having those members purchase that product. Another way is to build Facebook groups up in a specific niche like fitness, health and fitness, and sell the Facebook group. I've sold a Facebook group for about $500. It was in the entrepreneurship space, had 1,000 members, and someone offered to me, hey, can I buy your Facebook group for $500? And I said yes, because I wasn't really using that Facebook group as much, and I felt like that was a good way to monetize it. So that's one way that you can do so as well.
But everybody, thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment below. What are you doing for passive income? And if you comment within the very first hour of this video, I promise we'll answer your question. So thank you for watching. You guys are the MVP for having the notification bell and subscribing to both of our channels. We're out here, doing affiliate marketing, doing what we teach you, and everything that we share in this video, we have done in one shape or form.